The digital library has some really good customization that will help you if you would like to change the way that you view your screen. So once you have a book, click Read, and you'll notice in the top left-hand corner there are some icons here. These are super useful. The first one is this one, the display settings. This is the place where you can change the way your screen looks. So for example, you can change from 2 pages to a screen to 1. You can change the size of the font. You can change your background color. There is a night reading function. And you can manually change the brightness of your text, letter spacing, word spacing, and line spacing. You can do this manually, as I've just done, but you'll notice there is also a dyslexia function here, which will just help you to go through and select which would be most useful. So the first is a background color option, a font style, text size, and line spacing. And the digital library will remember your settings for the duration of your reading. Another function the digital library has is the immersive reader. This basically is a way for the library to read the book to you. So if you click immersive reader, it will change to a screen with a play button. You can change the voice settings from female to male and the speed of the reading. But if you press play...
Chapter 1. Mr. Jones of the Manor Farm had locked the hen houses for the night.
The book will read to you. You can let it run. You might like to read along with your book, or you could simply listen to it like an audiobook. Another useful function is the highlighter button. This would be particularly useful for when you're studying class texts and you need to keep a record of quotes or sections of a book with page numbers. You can highlight any text in the ebook and add a highlight with a choice of colour, and you can make notes. When you save this, any section of the book that you have highlighted can be viewed by clicking the highlight button, and you'll notice it keeps the page number. It's also hyperlinked, so it will take you directly to that place in the book when you need it.